and gentlemen, welcome to the Battle Arena. Tonight, I'm your host, Mad Hatter, and we have a special lineup tonight. We have Crazy Cat, Freckle-Faced Frog, Walrus Man, Lazy Lab, Runny-Nosed Reindeer, Rabbit Raccoon, and Paranoid Penguin. And they'll be fighting against Bakugans. Yes, it's going to be an ultimate lineup, and you're invited to watch as these Bakugans take on the wackiest, the craziest, and the most dangerous of them all, webkinz. Rabbit Raccoon, we really gotta get out of here. I think something bad's gonna happen. You guys are going down. I'm taking you all down. Oh, I feel dizzy. I really just want to go to sleep. Oh, that's it, you guys. Oh, holy smolies. You guys are bad dudes. You missed me. Oh, what do you think of that? That wasn't good enough for Santa Claus. Oh man, these guys are tough. I'm getting the hell out of here. Oh. All right, dudes. We're angry, man, and we're gonna take you out. Oh man, this is crazy, crazy than me. I'm gonna scratch your eyes out. I'm gonna scratch your eyes out. What do you think of that? Huh? I'm gonna scratch them out. Yeah. Beat them up. Come on, I want some more. I'm crazy. Oh man. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bakugans once again have beaten out the crazy webkinz. Thank you.
Yeah.